Welcome back to Product Critique, where every week, we break down the latest and greatest tech gadgets to help you decide what's worth your money. Today, we've got something special for the adventurers, the vloggers, the thrill seekers. This is the best action camera waterproof 4K video, the Xtra Pro Action Camera. Let's dive in, literally. This compact powerhouse is built for the wild. With a 1/1.3-inch image sensor, the Xtra Pro packs high-end imaging tech into a tiny, travel-ready body. That sensor size isn't just a spec, it's the heart of why this camera delivers exceptional detail, color accuracy, and clarity in every single frame. Now let's talk resolution. You're getting full 4K video recording, crisp, cinematic footage that captures every grain of sand and splash of water. Whether you're documenting a downhill ride, a coral reef, or your day around the city, your visuals are going to stand out. This isn't shaky handheld footage. Thanks to its built-in image stabilization, your video stays smooth, even when the trail gets rough or the waves start rocking. And when the sun goes down, the Xtra Pro doesn't give up. Night view mode kicks in to keep your footage usable and surprisingly detailed, even in low light. No more grainy, unwatchable clips from your evening hikes or downtown adventures. Just clear, moody shots that hold up. Let's address the waterproofing, 65 feet. That's right, this camera doesn't flinch underwater. Take it swimming, snorkeling, surfing. Forget bulky housings or dry boxes, just clip it on and go. Whether it's a monsoon or a misstep into the lake, you're still rolling. Lightweight, portable, and reliable in every environment. It's got intuitive controls, a sleek design, and fast wireless transfer to your devices. Whether you're posting on the fly or building a full vlog series, this camera gives you pro-level content without the steep learning curve. Battery life is solid, lasting long enough for a full morning shoot. The interface is responsive and clean, with easy-to-navigate menus that don't require a manual every time you need to adjust a setting. To sum it up, if you're looking for a waterproof, 4K-ready action camera with stabilization, low-light capabilities, and a serious sensor under the hood, the Xtra Pro Action Camera might just be the one. It's built for those who move fast, explore hard, and want to share it all in beautiful detail. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to up your content game or just want to capture life in motion, check out the Xtra Pro Action Camera. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gadget breakdowns just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep rolling.